What's up, guys? Good morning. It's our third day here in Sedona, and we're about to go on the Devil's Bridge hike. We were gonna go yesterday, but we woke up kind of late. It got really hot, so today we're waking up early so we can go on that hike. It's supposed to be like 4 miles round trip, but super excited. We're getting a lot of good drone shots out here, and overall great riding, great scenery, and can't wait for today. Getting ready, and I'll see you guys on the road. Peace.
Yeah, thank you.
Keep going.
It's too high.
No, you didn't even lift it.
Hold on. I'm on a weird ass angle.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Hey, Mitsu, you got another. Thank you. Have a good one. All right.
Everybody got their mask?
There's like 3 jackets, 3 helmets.
You're Mike, we're all fucked,
Yeah.
bro.
Hey, down here just need to put it in
Come back
neutral.
like this is the one that has all the stuff.
Alright, guys, we're ready to go on this hike, and we're gonna go to the Devil's Bridge.
Oh yeah.
I think you should eat it. I saw somebody in that movie.
Yeah, you're good. No.
No, he needs a new kneecap. He said don't even.
finally made it back to our bikes. That was a tough hike. About 7 miles.
You made it like that. That's nuts, yeah.
But it was worth it for the Devil's Bridge. Scratchy!
Yeah, I agree.
Woo.
Oh my god.
Here, take this backpack.
Yeah.
All right, come grab your shit here.
Have your shit here.
Woo! It's time to roll out.